Good morning to everyone. Chemistry teacher Samarina here. 3 years back, I wrote two materials which I would like to bring to your notice. One is coordination compounds, which I wrote to contribute for the field. The other one is solutions, which I wrote when I was hurt very badly, just to prove my strength. A teacher can prove his strength only through the field work, not by doing something else. No. You may ask me, sir, what is your contributions for the materials? I would like to bring to your notice, mine is the borrowed knowledge. I have not moved to the lab, nor I synthesized the compound, nor I looked at its biological activity. But sure, I will bring to your notice what is my contribution. It is not just cut, copy, paste. First material is solutions. You have purposefully made it like this because it is you who is solution for your life. Now what is my contribution? See here. Thanks to my parents, all my teachers who taught directly and indirectly. Indirectly I mean to say the books that I referred, which helped me to gain some knowledge through which I gained my bread. Okay? Now, what is my contribution? See, I wrote it in the form of question and answers. Earlier I didn't have the dream of writing like this. I did this after meeting the students. I felt by looking to the students, it will help them more than me writing with descriptions. Here it is covered in both ways. One is in the form of question and answers, and the other one through the subject, how it is dragged in the syllabus. Now, this chart, definition, formula, unit. This is my contribution, which I have brought it in the simpler way, wherein you will get the definition as well as formula and also the unit. Major contribution is mine by keeping the rural students in mind. If they won't get good teacher somehow or better teacher, and if the student is interested in learning and making his life better, see here, I have taken the question and here itself I have solved it. Each and every step is worked out here. Each and every step is worked here. A student who is interested, who really wants to achieve, then he or she will get all the working here through which they can take the benefit of the material. What is the other contribution? The other contribution is here I have given the food for thinking. What is that? When a solute present in small quantity, concentration is expressed in terms of ppm. Now here, for one more thing, for a given solution, sum of mole fraction is unity. These are the things what I contributed while writing the material. One more thing, this is my contribution with God's grace. I won't say it's all mine. With God's grace and with the blessings of my parents and teachers, I have done this. The exact amount of the solvent in a given volume of the solution cannot be determined if the density of the solution is unknown. Such things I have contributed in my material where I have worked and published. So this is one of the material that is about the solutions. Everything is worked to the best of my knowledge. The other book, the other material that I wrote is coordination compounds. Now, even here I did the same thing, wherein I moved with the definitions, then basic definitions, what will come initially, basic terms, then these things have written. After moving to the VBT, earlier to that we'll come across the drawbacks of Werner's postulate. Such questions I have framed here. Okay. The given compound, stability constant, the dissociation constant K equals to. Here, what is the other thing? The dissociation constant of complex ions are the reciprocals of the stability constants. Now this one, we have 4 complexes whose geometry and hybridization has to be predicted according to the syllabus. I might have compiled 2 in one sheet. I purposefully did this. If a student is struggling to understand this, okay, and if he's stressing on his memory, storing it in the mind and trying to put it on the answer script, two different questions should not confuse him. So in single sheet I have worked out the problem. 4 sheets I have used and have worked out. And here again questions. The number of drawbacks of Werner's postulate that has been overcome by VBT. Such things I have put. Okay, next one. Whether secondary valence and coordination number means the same. Wherein a student should think and then improve his knowledge. So these are the two books materials that I wrote and published with the grace of God and our teachers. So I just felt like bringing to your notice. These materials are still available. Students, means the one who studied under me earlier, please don't compel me to send it through post or that this. I'm not in a position to do that. If you need it, definitely I can help you with this if you come to me and collect it. Okay? Thank you. Good day. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you.